Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a coconut milk and coconut milk curd. So for that, take a fresh coconut and break it open. Take the coconut grating in a blender jar. Add 1 cup of water and blend it. Coconut is ground well for a couple of minutes. Maybe you have to blend it for 2 to 3 minutes. You can add some more water so that it will get blended properly. Pour the contents in a bowl with a thin strainer. So now the coconut milk will be strained. Press with a spoon on the coconut strain so that all the milk is strained away. Here you can again use this. You can use water as you got now thick coconut milk and the extract. So put back the coconut strain in the blender again. Add 1 to 2 cup of water and blend it again. Now strain it properly and now you got a milk, coconut milk. So you can use mud utensil, mud pot. You strain it properly, and once you get this milk, you can keep on flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Boil it for 2 to 3 minutes only. Make sure it should not get heated too much. It should be lukewarm only. Now you can see it's boiling. It's boiling it. It's boiling now, and then you can switch off the gas. And then after that, add green chili stalks and half chili. It helps fermentate the milk. The chili stalk has fermented qualities. You can also add 1 tablespoon lemon juice for good result. Then keep it at least for 8 to 10 hours to ferment it. And see, now it's look like proper curd. And it's now you have delicious curd ready. So try it and let me know your experiences also in the below comment box. Thank you for watching our video and take care. Thank you so much.